Welcome. If you've noticed that animations and transitions feel a bit muted on X, formerly known as Twitter, you might have the Reduce Motion setting enabled. This feature is designed to minimize visual effects for a simpler browsing experience. But if you prefer the full, lively look of X, you can easily turn it off. Today I'll show you how to disable Reduce Motion on X using your PC, following the latest update. First, open your preferred web browser and head to X by typing x.com in the address bar. Once you're logged in and on the home page, look to the left side of your screen for the More icon. It's usually represented by 3 dots in a circle. Click on this icon to expand the menu. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new page with several options. Here, look for the section labeled Accessibility, Display, and Language. Click on it to continue. Now, within this section, you'll see a few different categories. Find and click on Accessibility. This is where X keeps all the features designed to make the platform easier to use for everyone. Inside the accessibility settings, scroll down until you find the Reduce Motion option. If the toggle is enabled, it means motion effects are currently reduced. To bring back animations and transitions, simply click the toggle to disable Reduce Motion. That's all it takes. With Reduce Motion turned off, you'll notice smoother transitions and more dynamic effects as you browse X. This setting can always be adjusted again if you ever want a simpler visual experience. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might want to enhance their X experience. Enjoy your time on X with all the motion and animations restored.